realize I've got myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and it's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Hey everyone, it's Adriana and welcome back to another video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. I know I've taken a long break, but I've been active on ADREANA, uploading vlogs over there, so I hope you're keeping up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you love it over here, and let's get started. So I've taken a long break, pretty much trying to adjust to healing, being a single mom, and finishing school. I just graduated school in May, and it's been an adjustment, healing and getting through some issues I've had along the way. If you don't know, or if you're new, me and my kids' dad separated last year, and we moved back home. He's in the Army. We moved back home, and it's been great moving back home, but obviously, you know, being with someone for so long, having kids with them, and then going from being married to single, it was an adjustment. But I'm doing great. I'm doing fine. I want to start uploading on this channel again. But today I'm going to be showing you guys my Sunday evening routine. If you're new or if you don't remember, I do work overnights. So Sundays are Sunday mornings are technically my Fridays. So I have the next few days off, and I kind of use this day to prepare for the week. I usually get up around like 2-3 o'clock. The kids get home, and I kind of just get ready for the day. So I do whatever dishes we've had piled up all weekend and get those washed so I can get dinner started and get the dishes clean for Monday.
I just entered the country with derringers, cause them Karens just turned into terrorists.
He was on stop mode, that post on page road, no post, chat too much, go clip on load, that's that code, that energy.
I mentioned in my vlog on ADREANA that I bought this Dawn Power Wash from Kroger. They had a deal if you bought like 3 of them. I think you got 3 for $9 or something like that. I don't really like it. Someone said they use this to clean their bathrooms, and I thought that was a genius idea. So the lemon scent I put in my bathroom, and I have this, I think this is like the original scent. I've noticed spraying the dishes like I did with the cups and putting them in the dishwasher got the dishes so clean. I also had a jar that had hair oil in it from my business, and I sprayed that and just stuck it in the dishwasher, and it came out completely clean. So it did a really good job at cleaning in the dishwasher, but having to spray the dishes and hand wash them was a headache. Usually when I get up, I just get straight to work. I hardly ever have time to eat or drink anything. So around this time, I'm really thirsty. So I fill up my water bottle. I usually fill this water bottle up like 3 times a day. So this is probably the first time today. I don't think I filled it again today, but that's what I do. I immediately get me some water after I'm done doing whatever chore it is that I have to do. So this is your reminder to stay hydrated. When I got home this morning from work, I put the chicken in the crock pot. I just seasoned it, topped it with some butter, put some flour and chicken broth at the bottom to make like a gravy. And then I put it in there for 4.5 hours and just let it cook. And I overnighted a package from Amazon because my printer ran out of ink, and I had some packages I had to get out. Again, if you're new to my channel or if you forgot, I do have a hair care line, and it's called Pretty Hair Care LLC. And I hand make hair creams, deep conditioners, and hair growth oil and split end oils. Check out my website. I have some really good products on there, amazing reviews. So thank you guys so much who have purchased from my website and trusted me in this process. My hair, as you see right now, I only use my hair products. So this is me changing the ink out of my printer. I was kind of confused, and I was like, how do you do this? But I figured it out.
You won't break my soul.
right here, it's a couple of orders that I didn't print the labels and packing slip for, so I'm just getting that done so I can get these orders out tomorrow morning.
I'm building my own foundation. Oh, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, everybody.
Over the weekend, I made some hair cream, and I was like, since I'm here already, I might as well just print these labels off for some hair cream that didn't get any labels because I didn't have any ink in my printer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done and get those on the bottles and get that ready for shipment.
If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you.
So this is my Ayurvedic hair cream, and Ayurvedic is known to boost hair growth, reduce shedding and breakage, soften and conditions the hair, enhances blood circulation, and much more. It's made with shea butter, and shea butter is known to be an excellent moisturizer, adding shine, softening dry hair, and repairing split ends. So this hair cream will prevent hair fallout and support hair growth through a chemical-free treatment. Not only do I have this hair cream, but I have many other hair creams as well, and most of the hair creams come with a deep conditioner, so you can buy both of the products and use them together.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore?
I tend to do my laundry on Sundays, and then I'll do my kids sometime throughout the week, most likely on Monday or Tuesday. It's another off day. And but today I decided to do mine because I've worked all weekend, so I need to wash like work clothes, undergarments, and other things.
I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
And if you guys have been following me over on my vlog channel, my plants are just not doing good. I do not have a green thumb. I'm kind of sad. My brother was over the other day, and the first plant over there is my red pepper plant. As you can see, it looks like a Charlie Brown tree. And the aphids just destroyed it. Aphids came for this one, but at the top right there, my brother picked it off where all the aphids were, and he kind of just like tossed it over the balcony. So now it looks fine, and then my tomato plant is just looking sad. So I don't know, we're gonna water it and I'll keep you guys updated. But if you have any tips and tricks on the aphids thing and just growing plants, please let me know. By this time, we like to eat dinner around like 5-6 o'clock, so it's 4:30 at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and get the sides made since the chicken is already done. I did slow cook the chicken for about 6 hours. Originally, it's supposed to be 4.5. It is done at 4.5, but I went ahead and did an extra couple of hours. I'm just gonna season the vegetables up with salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, syrup, and olive oil. I wanted kind of like a mapley taste to my carrots, so I went ahead and did all the veggies like that. And since I do use a liquid laundry detergent, I had to come back and put the liquid inside the washer once the water got full in there. The chicken was so tender. As I took it out of the crock pot, it was already falling off the bone. But here's the veggies roasted. I roasted it at 425 for I think about 30 minutes. I really didn't check. The rice was so good. This is me and the kids' favorite rice. It's the chicken flavored rice of the rice-a-roni. And we love this meal. I even went back later that night for a second plate. So when I wash my kids' clothes, usually they're the ones putting it away, but I have no one to put my laundry away, so I really do have a bad habit of not putting away my own laundry. But today I had the energy to do so, and I was like, Adriana, just get it done. By this time, I have finished all of my household chores. Everyone is fed, and now it's time for me to start my nighttime routine. So I get myself ready for the end of the night, and I get myself together, I guess, pretty early, because at this point I've done everything that I needed to do and I'm ready to relax. I don't want to have to hop in the shower at like 9-10 o'clock at night. So by this time I'm just ready to chill on the couch, watch some movies for the rest of the night, and then cuddle in bed. So I'm just prepping my hair for the night using my oils that are on my website, my hair growth serum and my split end serum. I'm gonna clip this up, put my bonnet on, and hop in the shower.
I just wanna know if you intended. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away.
Some of my favorite products are the Aveeno Daily Face Scrub. I use this scrubber that I got from Dollar Tree, a brush on side and bristles on the other side, my Dove body wash, and then once I get out the shower, this little duo right here, this combo, game changer. I've been doing this for 4 years. A little bit of Vaseline, some face cream, and it leaves my face super soft like a baby's bottom all day. Super moisturized, no dry patches, no nothing. It's just perfect. I love it so much. I follow this girl on TikTok. She's autistic and she gives the best beauty hacks, and she said layer your perfume or body mist with baby oil and it will last, the smell will last much longer. And I have to say that is true, except I don't do it with the body mist. I just layer it with the lotion and the baby oil, and then I go in over with my spray. Perfect. This is my favorite nighttime fragrance. I use this before I go to bed every single night, and it just makes me smell like I'm sleeping on a cloud. This right here, game changer. It's a whole body deodorant and you can put it in your private area. So what I would recommend if you're someone who sweats down there, just put a little bit in between your thighs and you will smell fresh down there all freaking day. This is the deodorant that I use because, like I said, I sweat a lot, so I use this deodorant before bed. I am a wine drinker. I love my wine, but lately I haven't been drinking wine, and I haven't drank any wine all week this week, so I don't have a new wine to show you guys yet. I may end up getting one next week, but tonight I'm just gonna drink some immune and stress tea with my Biscoff cookies and butter. Then I'm gonna cuddle on the couch. Me and baby Drew are gonna watch a movie. We chose RV. This was my favorite movie when I was a teenager. At this point it's 7:37 and this is where my night ends. A very relaxing evening. Got a lot done. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we love it over here. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.
I realize I gotta be myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be